Hello friends, welcome back to Ria Aisha World. Today I'm showing you a Christmas special bottle art. For that, here I take a bottle and this is a plastic bottle and the sticker can't remove. To color the bottle, here I'm using black color acrylic paint. Here I'm pouring a little bit of paint onto the palette. Now I'm taking sponge and just dab it like this, and you can also use paintbrush. Keep 2 hours for drying. Now take a carbon paper and keep like this. Now we need a picture of Santa Claus. Here I drew a picture of Santa Claus. Now place the carbon paper like this and place the picture above that. Now we can stick the masking tape at first side. If you have no masking tape, you can also use cello tape. Now we can trace the image using pencil. Draw all the portion of Santa Claus. Then only the trace will correct. Now we can remove that. Okay, the trace comes very clearly, right? We need only 2 brushes for painting. Now take red color acrylic paint and paint the cloth of Santa. Paint it neatly. If you dare to draw Santa directly on bottle, you can do like that, but I have no dare to do like that. Now we can paint white color acrylic paint. Now dab it with paintbrush to feel like a cotton. Now paint brown color for Santa's belt. Now we needed to mix 2 paints for making a light brown, so that here I am taking dark brown and white. For Santa's face, here I am taking green color paint. For lip, I am taking light pink. Now I am taking golden yellow to paint the gifts. Now I am taking golden yellow to draw the stars. Now we can draw Christmas tree onto the bottle. Drawing Christmas tree is really easy. First I afraid to draw Christmas tree directly onto the bottle, but when I just started it, I really liked that. Now we can draw some grass. Now we can draw a star at the top of the Christmas tree. Now we can draw some dots. Now we can apply varnish to the bottle. Here is the final look of our bottle art. Did you like it? Today I have a tripic and this tripic is from Zia. If you didn't watch that video, please go and watch that video. I will put the link in description. If anyone try craft of mine, please share it through my Instagram page. I will put a screenshot here. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.